Alright guys, what's up? It's Sarah Vidal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a, it's my first ever first impressions video. Yeah. I am doing a full review on the new JACLYN HILL collaboration with Morphe. Everyone that has been following me for a while or that knows me personally knows that I'm like a massive fucking fan of JACLYN HILL. She's the reason why I got into makeup. Like, she is the first beauty blogger that I started watching and I instantly fell in love, and she was such an inspiration to me, and she is why I am doing what I'm doing to this day. So obviously, naturally, I had to buy her vault. Do we see how pretty it is? Like, the hype over this, and then also the controversy. There's a lot of controversy after they sent out their first round of PR packages to beauty bloggers, I guess. There were people saying there was inconsistencies in the formulas and the palettes, and so anyways, she called off the launch. Morphe took care of everything at the warehouse. They made sure that everything was completely double checked, triple checked, quadruple checked, that formulas were being consistent. Like, JACLYN is like a hard ass. She doesn't want her name on something that's, you know, inconsistent or subpar. They held off on the launch and they did a relaunch, which was, oh my gosh, a couple days ago. I forgot which day it was. This is her here, little baby. By the way, guys, I totally forgot to mention that these palettes as a vault are sold for $64 Canadian, and the individual palettes are $20 Canadian each, which is extremely affordable in my opinion. I just thought I'd have to mention that here. Even though I'm a big fan of both JACLYN and Morphe, I am going to stay honest with my opinions throughout this video, and if I don't like something or if I think something's inconsistent or, you know, the quality isn't great, I'm gonna express that to you guys. I'm not just gonna be like, oh my god, I love JACLYN. Alrighty, so I look like a naked mole rat right now because I'm going to do a look after with one of the palettes just super quickly so I can give you guys like my opinion on how they apply and how it looks and how it wears and everything. So that's why I am naked in the eyes right now. So I literally haven't even opened this puppy yet. Like, I haven't even opened it at all. I haven't looked at the palettes. I haven't done anything. I literally just got it in the mail and I took the bubble wrap off, and here I am, ready for first impressions and some swatches. Basically, it comes in a little box like this, and a little picture of JACLYN on the back, and it says, when developing the JACLYN Hill palette, I created so many different eyeshadows in my search for the perfect palette. Narrowing it down to just 35 colors was nearly impossible for me. There were way too many gorgeous shades to eliminate any of them. This is why I'm so excited to finally show you guys the other shades that were in the vault. Same beautiful formula and pigmentation, but all different colors. It's like my palette had babies. I hope you guys love this collection as much as I do. So, alrighty, let's just start by opening this guy up. Oh my god, more bubble wrap. Alrighty, oh my god, I'm so excited. So, we've got the little vault like this, and it has a little tag here that kind of brings out all of the palettes, I guess. Okay, so it's white, it's got metallic writing and like detail on around everything basically, and in silver, and then there's some kind of like colors in through here as well in the confetti. But anyway, so right here you can see the palette names, and on the other side it just says Morphe times JACLYN HILL. Okay, so this is Ring the Alarm. Oh my god. So this is Ring the Alarm. It is so pretty. It's very warm toned, obviously. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers. This one has a little bit to it, and the rest are all matte. There's nothing super light in this palette at all. This is the darkest one, but this would be the lightest. But Lolly, oh my god, it looks stunning. I need to swatch this. I'm going to be using this arm right here. Don't mind this guy. This is a burn that I got in the summer, and then that's also a burn right there, but I will do my best. We're going to start with Lolly. Wow. Rush. That's pretty. It's definitely not as pigmented as the first shade, but there's still color there. Let's put you a little bit more. Yeah, that's nice. That's pretty. It's like a burnt orange. On camera, Holy shit. That's crazy. So gold, just like a true gold. And we'll do boom. Wow, that's so nuts. Alert. Bomb ass. Siren. Oh. There we go. Mugshot. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, these colors together are so stunning. Framed. Wow, that's nice. That's so pretty. This is going to be so nice going into the fall. And the final shade, Secret. Wow. That was so pigmented. These are honestly so pretty. I'm going to do a little close-up here. So now we've got the next palette, Bling Boss. Bling Boss. Oh, sorry. This is so fucking pretty. My god, like look. First shade we got is Bling Boss. So pretty, fuck. Next shade is Hush Hush. Ooh, it's really hard to show like my skin for that one on camera, but it's really stunning and pigmented in person. Then we've got Gem. Wow. Bam. Pizzazz. So stunning. Oh my god, I love this already. And then Mystic. Oh, that one's kind of powdery, but it's still a very pretty color. Sparks. Glitz and Glam. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yes. Rockstar. Ballsy. Ooh. And then we have Berry and Treasure. Oh, fuck yeah. So onto the third palette, which is Armed and Gorgeous. I'm so excited for this one because the yellows, you'll see. Let's open it together. The little protective sheet's gonna fly out when I open it. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. This is so fucking pretty. I keep swearing and I keep saying everything's so pretty, but like, ugh, I love it. So this army green, I'm so excited that this army green is in here. And like these, holy fuck, like two completely different types of golds. Even this one, like they're all so different, but like the colors just go together really nicely. This is supposed to be very light too, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna look on my skin. But yeah, without further ado, let's just start swatching these guys as well. The first one we've got is VIP. Oh wow, that is a white ass silver. Access. Very pretty. Third one is Guilt Trip. Coin. Oh my Jesus, Lanta. Holy fuck. Agent. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can dig it. I can fucks with it. We've got Top Secret. Oh my god. Oh yeah. So it's a little powdery, but it blends in. Smooth Criminal. Secure. Prowl. Oh my god, that one's insane. Classified. Oh my god, they feel amazing when you swatch them. Bam. Alright, and last but not least, we have Dark Magic. So, same thing, the little flap is gonna fly off. Whoop! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. My whole heart, like this is fucking beautiful. I don't know which one I like the most so far. I'm gonna have to play with them and figure it out because the swatches so far, they're all like equally just as stunning. So let's just jump right into this one. All right, we're starting it with Poof. We've got Power Cut. Shh, is this the name of this one? Oh, no, it's not as pigmented. Bummer. That still shows up. Trickery. Diversion. Oh my gosh, that's insane. Potion. Wow. Busted. Inside Job. Mojo. And Temptress. Holy fuck. That one's crazy. So that is it for swatches. They swatched incredibly pigmented, super creamy, and they just glided on basically. I noticed that there were some inconsistencies, which is like bound to happen. It happens almost in every single palette. I've washed my arm, and the only thing I noticed is that I'm kind of stained after using that last palette. I'm kind of stained, like right here, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'm a little bit stained from the Dark Magic palette. So I'm like kind of concerned to put it on my eye and have like black eyes for a day. Scrubbed my arm and it would not come off. Yeah. I'm super impressed with the swatches. I can't wait to play with them. I love the color schemes of every single palette. I'm not sure, like I said, what one is my favorite yet. I'm gonna have to play with them to find out. I'm gonna go try a look now. Just really quickly do a quick look, nothing like super crazy or anything. Throw some lashes on and just see how they blend out on my eye and how they wear and how they look. So I'm gonna do that off camera and I will come back and I will tell you my thoughts. I decided to do a quick look using the Alarm palette, which is the warm toned one right here. I used almost every shade basically so I could really see like what the consistency was like throughout a whole palette basically. They look really nice. I didn't get fallout when I was blending them. They blended out really nice too. Yeah, I'm all in all really happy with how it applied. I'm happy with this look. This look only took me like, the eye look only took me about like 5-10 minutes, and then it was 5 minutes maybe. I threw in some lashes. Everything just kind of blended together nicely. If you do like this video and you found it helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe or leave a comment or leave a like. Anyways, that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with these, and stay tuned because I am thinking of filming a tutorial using each and every palette and uploading a separate video per palette to YouTube.